Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas radiyallahu anhu states, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu sought the permission of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam to enter, while some women of the Quraysh were sitting in his company and conversing with him on some issue, and they were raising their voices. When Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu requested the permission to enter, all women got up and hurriedly went behind the curtain. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam accorded Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu the permission, while he sallallahu alayhi wasallam was smiling. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu keep you smiling forever. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, I am amazed at the women who were sitting here beside me. When they heard your voice, they hurriedly went behind the curtain. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, you deserve more than they must be in awe of you. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, O the enemies of yourselves, do you fear me but are not in awe of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam? They said, yes, you are stricter and harsher than Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, by him in whose possession my life stays, when the Satan finds you treading on a path, he leaving your way, adopts the path other than yours. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6152.